To get Pump Fun Coin on Phantom, start by ensuring you have the Phantom wallet installed on your device. Phantom is a popular digital wallet for Solana, and it allows you to store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies, including Pump Fun Coin. First, open the Phantom wallet and click on the Add Token button. Then, search for Pump Fun Coin by entering its name or ticker symbol in the search bar. If you cannot find it, you may need to add it manually by clicking on the Add Custom Token button and entering the token's contract address. Once you have added Pump Fun Coin to your Phantom wallet, you will need to obtain some Solana to cover transaction fees. You can buy Solana on a cryptocurrency exchange and transfer it to your Phantom wallet. Next, find a reputable cryptocurrency exchange or marketplace that supports Pump Fun Coin and Solana. Some popular options include Raydium, Orca, or Jupiter. Create an account on the exchange and deposit your Solana. After depositing your Solana, navigate to the trading page and search for the Pump Fun Coin and Solana trading pair. Place a buy order for Pump Fun Coin using your Solana, and the coins will be deposited into your Phantom wallet once the transaction is confirmed. To receive Pump Fun Coin in your Phantom wallet, ensure that you have the correct wallet address. You can find this address by opening the Phantom wallet, clicking on the Receive button, and copying the address. Best practices for getting Pump Fun Coin on Phantom include ensuring you have sufficient Solana to cover transaction fees, double-checking the wallet address to avoid sending coins to the wrong address, and only using reputable exchanges and marketplaces to avoid scams. By following these steps, you can easily get Pump Fun Coin on Phantom and start exploring the world of Solana-based cryptocurrencies. Remember to always prioritize security and only use trusted sources to avoid potential risks.